Hi Internet, I'm Cassandra from Things with Cats. Like many of you, I am working from home by daylight and nursing unhealthy coping mechanisms by moonlight. Before the world became a filthy, disease-ridden nightmare, I brought home my office cactus, which was thriving. I have a hunch that the cats have been using my sweet baby cactus as their bespoke litter box. So I've set up a hidden camera to catch them in the act. Let's take a look at the footage.
Thirsty? Oh, you are. Okay. Love you, buddy. But it's a plant. Plants need water.
Cactuses need less, though.
I think you mean cacti. Why are you making your mad face?